The interesting narrative of the life of Olaudah Equiano, or Gustavus Vassa the African, written by himself, Olaudah Equiano, presented by Brooke Mill. To begin researching this piece, I started by researching the timeline, such as the things going on during that time, who was in charge, and whatnot. I also wanted to understand the background of the situation and why slavery was a thing at all. So what I found in my research was that Britain had control, and that's why the slaves were being taken. I also found that the slaves were illiterate, which is part of the background. When I originally made my thesis, I had believed the piece could have been for slaves to read for inspiration, but I soon realized that slaves were illiterate at the time, so that could not have been the case. To continue with my findings, I think it's important to understand the way that other people took Equiano's piece and how they interpreted it. I think it is important to know that it testifies against inhumanity. He was known as an unchained voice at the time, and it was also known as a direct assault on slavery. So for my approach of this piece, I wrote everything in chronological order. I wrote things in which the way that they were told. I also would give examples. I would state a point and then explain it. For example, I explained how Equiano was depressed and sick, and then I would quote something from his piece to back up exactly what I was saying. So to summarize my findings, I found that Equiano was a slave who was ripped away from his family at a young age and sold as a slave. He was bought and sold multiple times before he was taught to read and write by a ship member. He was also taught the Christian religion, which he soon began to follow and learn more about God. Eventually, he found peace with being a slave and was able to buy his way out of slavery. Given all of my findings, I wrote my argument to persuade people that Equiano's narrative was to give a voice to those Africans who were not able to speak for themselves during the times, but also to question the humanity of these slave traders and those with authority to persuade them to put an end to slavery. This is also the works cited that I used in my paper, as well as this one. So overall, this course has helped to change and shape my understanding of English and British literature. For starters, this class introduced me to many stories which used real-world concepts that were shown through literature. Almost none of them which I had read before, which I thought was really cool. This course has also helped me with my writing overall. Throughout high school, I got really good grades with my writing, and I believed that I was very good at English, but I soon realized I needed a lot of work when I got into this class with the assignments, especially the literary analysis. So this class has helped me a lot overall. Thank you.